Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, lovelies, today I have something special. As you know, rice is a regular Nigerian dish. However, rice can be had in various ways. So we have rice and stew, we have jollof rice, we have native rice, we have asun rice. But today, I'm going to be showing you the Nigerian ultimate recipe to make coconut rice. Come with me, lovelies. So here is everything we're going to be using in making our coconut rice today. We have some coconut flavored powder, we have smoked catfish, we have some vegetable oil, coconut oil rice, some scotch bonnet pepper, we have some coconut flavor crayfish, coconut milk, some curry powder, thyme, some seasoning powder, some dried prawns. This is the blended head of the dried prawns, some stockfish, and of course onions. In your already washed pot, you are going to add some coconut oil, and then we'll be adding in some vegetable oil as well. This vegetable oil is my Devon King's soya oil. You add in some onion, and then you let this simmer for about 2 minutes to release its flavor. So to add that extra spice and extra flavor, I'm going to be putting in this coconut flavor. So I'm going to add this into our pot. After that, I'm going to put in a well diced scotch bonnet pepper. You can blend this, you can blend it smoothly however you want it, but this is my preference, just to ensure that it releases all the heat into the base of this food. This has been cooking for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add in my already washed rice. I'm going to combine all of this and allow this rice fry in the base of this goodness. This is our base to make that yummy coconut rice. So allow this fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to add in our coconut flavor. So you can find this at so it's a coconut flavored powder, right? All of this is just to build in that coconut essence into the rice. It is not compulsory you cook yours this way, but in order to get that strong coconut taste, I recommend that you use this. So you add this, and then you are going to add in coconut milk. So you can either use this or you use coconut milk that you extracted from actual coconut. In another video, I would show you how to make that extract. Now we're going to add in some seasoning cube powder. We're going to add in some crayfish. Please do not add a lot of crayfish, but add it to taste. If not, you are going to change the entire color of your food. I'm going to add in a little of this blended prawn head as well. Stir this up. Add some salt to taste. And now I'm going to be adding in the obstructions that we would have in this rice. So I'm going to add in some dried prawns, already washed. I'm going to add in some already washed stockfish as well to release its flavor into this rice. And last but not least, I'm going to be adding some washed and dried smoked catfish. So all of this would release their own flavor into the rice while it cooks. So mix and marry all of it together, and then you add in some water. The water is just to cover the rice to ensure that the rice cooks through and through. After including water, please taste your food to check if your seasoning, your pepper, and your salt, everything is appropriate to your preference and your taste. Now we're going to let this cook for 10 to 12 minutes and then we'll be back. So our rice has been cooking for about 12 minutes. As you can see, it is not fully done yet, so we're just going to flip it over, bring the ones from down up, and the ones up are going down. Now a little water just to cook the rice, to bring it to that your preferred softness. So we'll let this cook for another 5 to 7 minutes and then we'll be back. So our rice has been cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, and absolutely this is, oh my goodness, looks really good. We're just going to allow this simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes for all the moisture to dry off. I wish you were here to perceive this aroma. So good, so good. So I would just allow to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes for our coconut rice to lose all the moisture in it, and then we'll be back to serve. So our rice is ready. While I was cooking, I didn't mention the rice cooked on medium heat throughout the cooking process, and it allowed the rice to, you know, cook through and through. So we're just going to plate this. Oh my god, look at all that goodness, all the obstruction. I love it. So if you're looking to make that yummy ogbonge coconut rice recipe, I implore you to try us. Oh my god.